Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So here we are going to solve another LeetCode problem, which is basically LeetCode 3330. We have find the which defines find the original type string one. So first we will understand the question. Question will say like Alice is attempting to type a specific string on her computer. However, she tends to be clumsy and may press a key for too long, resulting in a character being typed multiple times. So what she do is maybe she is doing some work, but during the typing, a particular single character key will type for too long. That's why there are many same alphabets present in that string. So although Alice tried to focus on her typing, she's aware that she may still have done this at most once. She think uh, she know that she will doing mistake, but she still think she still have done this activity at most once. So what we are given, like have a string word which represent the final output that displayed on the Alice's screen. Like as we see, we have an input in example one, abbccc. As you can see, there's a mistake. Like C was typed three times extra. We don't need that. B was typed one time extra. We don't need that. So what we have to do in this question, we have to return the possible original string that Alice might have intended to type. Yes, uh, like what I think Alice want to type on his computer, but she didn't type that correct string, but exceed that limit. So we have to find number of possible strings, number of possible original strings. Okay, so let's move forward. So first what we have to do, well, let's declare an uh, answer to store answer variable to store the answer equals to 1. So here what I do, I'll declare answer equals to 1 because every time there is a single output string on which is displayed on Alice's screen. So always there will be answer equals to 1 if we don't find any other possible original string. Okay, so also like let's do int n equals to word dot size, a little bit of typing error, word dot size. Okay, so in this I just declare the size of the word which we have given. Let's move forward. So what I'm thinking to do is that first we divide this whole word into the groups, like A is one group, B is one group, and C is the one group. Okay, so how we did that, let's see. So first we are running a loop, for loop, less than n. We are currently we are not giving any iteration how much time this have to increase and all. I just declare I variable, I loop. Then after that, in I loop, will declare a variable like a pointer j equals to I, which is basically used to identify their adjacent elements are same or not. After that, that's why we are going to run a while loop in which j is always less than n. Obviously this was going to happen because we have to be in that the string word, we don't exceed that limit. Now we are checking the adjacent elements, word of j, maybe this is error. So now if this situation satisfy, then what we have to do is like j plus plus. If this condition satisfy, then this will be in the loop. So what j plus plus do, if like we have an example a b b c c c c, like at place this b, what b j the value of j is 1, 1 which is less than n. This is absolutely correct. And then 1 is equals to word of j. This is obviously equals to I equals to j, as we mentioned in line 7. So here we go. We will move forward, then j plus plus, then second b, then ij is different, then this ij also same, then this also satisfied, then again j plus plus, then bc. This is not equal, then this will going to be out from that while loop. Okay, hope you will understand. After that I'll declare a very I'll update my answer. So in answer what I do, that we are adding like j minus I. So what I do here, I did that j minus I because j is the last element of the group. Like b is at second place and b at first place. Starting of b in the first place and the ending was going to the second. So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. But we have to minus 1 because there is always a one, there is always only one possibility to, there is at most one possibility as we have mentioned in that question. Okay, now we are just going to add this, then we will find answer. After that what we do, I is equals to j, so that this for loop will be go continuously at the end of the string. Then we will basically just return our answer. Return our answer. This was going to be correct, I think so. Let's see, is this correct or not? Yeah, it is. Let's submit it. First format the code so it will look nice. Now let's submit it. So let's pray. Oh, now it is basically obviously accepted. So if you guys have any doubt, or if you want me to improve my teaching skills, then please let me know in the comments. uh, Thank you for this question. Let's meet on another question. Thank you.